Guys, how are you? I'm here to show you how to replace the screen for Dell Inspiron 3421. Here, as you can see, the screen is cracked from here, and if we turn it on, it's totally cracked. So I bought the screen from Laptop Screens, and it's nice, and we'll see how we're gonna fix the screen. So for best practice, we should first turn off the computer, and here we should also remove the battery. And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and the normal one. First we'll take the screwdriver and then try to find the clips here gently. Yeah, we need to remove these clips. From here. Okay, as you can see here, we need to take off these clips and that one, which are already glued, and take off the screen. And then we have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, and here the hinge. We have to unscrew them. So first we'll take that one, and then here the second one. And here, this is the screen here, and here's the flat cable. We will take it off and just put the other one. off, and here it's out. Here's the old one, here's the crack, and let's try to use the newer one. You have the same thing here. I'll just put that here. Just be careful. Small pins. Yeah, that's it. Let's put it here. Actually, I recommend just to give it a try first, because maybe you missed the connection. I can just put one. Here's one, put the other one here. Yeah, let's try it. Let's do that. Try it. Something wrong. Spot it. After a beep, we just need to make sure the cable is secured. Still. Let's try. As you can see here, the screen now it's working, it's back. The problem was in the cable. You have to make sure it's connected and stick with using this tape. I can probably add more tapes. This is what I'm going to do now, and I will put the tape, get back to you. Here I will put a piece of tape to make sure everything's good. And let's put it here. Screw gently. Let's try one more time. Here you can see everything is working now. So I will get back to you when I just assemble it. We just screwed these 5 screws, and now we're gonna remove here. We just Okay, that's it. And put the final touch of the hinge, and that's it. Everything works fine. My computer fine is working. See you.